everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Want to check your Caixa bank account on your phone but not sure how to log in? Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to log into the CaixaBankNow app step by step. First, open the CaixaBankNow app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Make sure your internet connection is stable before logging in. So here's the login page for you. Enter your identification number or username and your password. Make sure your login details match the ones you use for Caixa Bank's online banking. And then tap sign in. After logging in, the app might ask if you'd like to enable fingerprint or face ID login. This makes future logins faster and more secure. So go ahead and turn it on if you'd like. Once logged in, you'll reach your account dashboard. There you can view your balance, transfer money, pay bills, or check your latest transactions. And when you are done, remember to log out if you're on a shared or public device. Just tap the menu and select log out to keep your account secure. And that's it. That's how you log into your CaixaBankNow mobile application, from where you can manage your Caixa bank account from anywhere. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.